Stop saying, "I don't understand" in English. It makes you sound unsure. Say this instead, and people will instantly respect you. Okay, in this video, I'll show you 5 simple English phrases that make you sound confident, smart, and natural, even if your English is basic. And yes, you can start using them today. Let's start with the first one. That's an interesting perspective. Instead of reacting quickly, this makes you sound calm and thoughtful. For example, that's an interesting perspective. I never thought about it that way. Now, practice with me. That's an interesting perspective. Again. Perfect. You already sound more confident. Phrase number 2. Could you clarify that for me? Don't say, "I don't understand." This sounds much more professional. For example, "I'm sorry, could you clarify that for me? I want to understand correctly." Your turn. Say it again. Nice. This one sentence can change how people see you. Phrase number 3. I see what you mean, but this is perfect when you want to disagree without sounding rude. For example, I see what you mean, but I think we can try another way. Now say it out loud. Now add your own idea. That's exactly how fluent speakers talk. Okay, smart people don't argue. They respond like this. Phrase number 4. That reminds me of. This helps you connect ideas and sound natural in conversations. Example. That reminds me of a book I read last year. Now, practice with me. Say it. Now complete the sentence. Good. This makes your English feel smooth and natural. Okay, phrase number 5. I'd love to hear more about that. This shows interest and makes people like talking to you. Example. That sounds interesting. I'd love to hear more about that. Now, practice with me. Say it with me. Again. Perfect. This one makes conversations flow easily. Here's the secret. It's not just about English. It's about confidence. The more you use these phrases, the more natural you become. Think of it like this. You're training your brain to speak like a confident person. Okay, now it's your turn. Write one sentence in the comments using any of these phrases. I'll read your sentences and reply to you. Okay, and if you want to sound fluent faster, subscribe to this channel.